Sound waves reaching the microphone are changed into impulses of electric current.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
If you like the video, please like, share and comment down below if you want to see a season 14 Conqueror gameplay with a Conqueror push with a proper KD, and you want tips and tricks on the new map Livik because it has really cool features. Thank you.